guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best channel in the world. Welcome back to a Phayte effect. So guys, we're going to do a little throwback to my mom's birthday, and we're going to be learning how to make fried rice, Nigerian party fried rice. As you can see, she's looking all gorgeous, and she was so happy that I actually made it. So let's just jump straight into today's video. So guys, here we are seasoning our chicken, and now I'm adding sliced onions. Now this is my seasoning cubes that I've already crushed, and yeah, this is my salt. I think this was like, I don't know, a lot of chicken there. I can't remember how many kilos. And yeah, added my curry and thyme, just to add more seasoning to it. And I'm just like trying to mix it all up together, so that everything can just, get into it before I cover it and leave it to steam for 20 minutes. Now you can go back to just be checking it. So right now I have like different onions that I'll be using my food processor to just slice, to just make like the cooking very easy for me. Because did I actually mention that I am going to be cooking 3 mudu of rice today all by myself, because everybody was just busy doing different things. So I needed this food processor to make it easy. Now this is my meat after I was checking it, and now this is my sliced onions. So this is my green peas. I mean, you cannot cook fried rice without green peas, green pepper. In fact, that's why it's fried rice. And this is my green pepper, all sliced with my food processor. And now my technique for this fried rice is I boiled 1 full kettle of water, and I'm just pouring it into my rice to just kind of give it that parboiled effect. You get, like, I didn't want to parboil it, so this is like another way of parboiling your rice, and I always do this for my fried rice. And now I'm just stirring it, and I'm going to leave it to sit for like 5 minutes, so that that extra starch can just leave it, and you see why. Now we are removing our meat from the fire because it's already soft, and I actually didn't want it to be too soft. Yeah, so that's what I'm just doing. Okay guys, so back to our rice. Now I'm taking the meat stock from our chicken meat broth or chicken broth, and I'm pouring it into our parboiled rice, like after that 5 minutes thingy. And now I'm putting curry. This was a lot of curry, I think about 6 packets. And now I'm putting this fried rice spices. But when you're cooking fried rice, you need a lot of curry. There's never enough. And now these are my seasoning cubes. I did not add all because I also wanted to use it, for our veggies when I'm frying it. And I'm adding water to it, and I'm just stirring it. So this is what we're going to use to still parboil the rice, you get. So that first pouring of the hot water was just to remove the starch, and so that we can have like the fried rice effect. So this is just my method of cooking it, and in case if you cook it your method, you can also go ahead and tell me in the comment section. But this is like my party method anyway, to just make it easy. Now this pot was, this pot gave me headache. Can you see the size of this thing? It was very heavy. But after that, I just covered it and left it to boil. So I just left it to just like steam till the water ran dry. So after a few minutes, I came back, and this is what it looks like. In fact, the steam and everything was too much. And beside it, I was frying the meat. Now I said this is it was like a party, so I was trying to just get everything done at the same time, even though it was not easy. So I was with the rice, I was with the meat, I was busy answering questions, and I still had time to come and do slow-mo for you guys, because you need to see this. Can you can you, I don't know, Sha, but there's just something about, you know, stirring pots of rice and it's just giving. Oh Jesus. Anyway, focus. The whole point of mixing it all up is because, you know, some of the seasoning might be underneath, you know, the rice. So we're just trying to like mix everything up, the color and everything. So I had to bring it down, you know, properly to mix it very, very well so that we don't end up cooking white rice up and then beneath it will now be fried rice. You know, you just want to make sure everything is all mixed up. Now guess what time it is? It is time to fry. And I feel like this is the reason why it's called fried rice. I'm sorry, I shifted back because I think the oil was too much. So now I'm putting you know, those onions that we sliced with the food processor. Yeah, I'm taking a little bit of it. And now this is my green pepper. I'm adding it to my frying pan. Make sure you stir it and, you know, it's fried enough to your satisfaction. So yeah. And now I'm adding my green pea. I used food processor to cut it, so it wasn't giving. So my auntie cut the second one that I poured in. So that's why it looks like, you know, it's supposed to be round like the second one. So yeah. So now I'm stirring it all up together and just frying it. And I can tell you that my whole house was already scenting. So now I added my special ingredients, my sausage. Is it sausage or hot dogs? I don't know what's called, but yeah. I added it to my frying pan. I fried everything, you know, letting everything get to know each other. Now I'm pulling in my green beans. As I said, you cannot have fried rice without green pepper, green pea, green beans, and for the last thing, carrots. I mean, it's fried rice, for God's sake, and it is Phayte Effects fried rice, for God's sake. Of course it's going to have enough veggies to go round, and you guys saw that large pot of rice, so the veggies had to be much for it. So when you're making yours, make sure your veggies are enough for it. So another special ingredient I added was butter, and I just added butter because I felt like it would just give it like this party, you know, vibe. So remember that seasoning we did not add all, you know, so I added it. And why I don't like telling you guys like the seasoning cubes that I use is because I want you guys to use like the one to your taste. Like I could tell you, oh, let's use I don't want to mention because they didn't pay me. Anyway, I don't want to call like one name now. You'll be like, no, I don't use this one. I don't, you know. So just use it to your satisfaction. If it's only salt you used to cook, that's fine. Just use it to your taste. Okay. So now I'm just making sure everything is all fried up. Yeah. And after that, you see what we're going to do with it. Next up, I'm adding my dried pepper. I don't know why, but I really don't like adding red pepper to fried rice. I just feel like it spoils the whole thing. I don't know, like fresh red pepper, I don't like adding it. So I just rather add my dried pepper to it. And yes, I added a little of the fried rice spices. And now this is my chopped liver, my chicken liver. I'm adding it, guys. Like there's just something about adding liver to your rice, of fried rice. Like there's just something with it. And yeah, anyway, just stirred and make sure everything was nicely mixed. And then I brought my veggies to my fried rice. Okay, it's not fried rice yet. The veggies make it fried rice. And now I stirred I stirred, guys, in slow-mo because I wanted to mix the veggies and the rice together. And this part is actually very, very crucial. Actually, making fried rice is very easy, but you have to make sure you mix it, or else when you are serving your rice to your visitors, one person will not have veggies and the next person will just have like all veggies and maybe no room for the rice. So as you can see, I'm actually trying my best to stir it, and let me just say it wasn't easy because it was 3 noodles of rice. And now this is my fried rice, guys. Simple and easy.